Hi, so in this lecture, we are going to talk about one more operator that is known as copy assignment operator. So we have learned about copy constructor, and we learned that sometimes we may need to create a deep copy as well. So similar to copy constructor, we have a copy assignment operator which can be used to initialize one object from another. Maybe you have some object, and later on somewhere in the code you want to say object 1 should be equal to object 2. Okay, in this case the object is already constructed. Okay, so the constructor was already called. You can only call constructor one time, and that can be either the default constructor or the parameterized constructor or the copy constructor. So now you want to make a copy, so here you will not call a copy constructor. Here you will call a special method which is known as copy assignment operator, and this operator will tell how object 1 should be initialized from object 2, what all values should be copied. And let us try to see if this method already exists. So if I say I want to say let's say I've created an old camera here. If you look carefully, so if I just don't do the initialization at this point, so the constructor has already been called. Okay, and maybe I want to say something like let me just comment out this code. I want to say after some time that old camera should be equal to camera. So at this point a copy assignment operator function will be called. So we need to see what is this copy assignment operator, and let us dive into that as well. So yeah, so we are calling the function camera.showDetails, and we are calling the function old camera.showDetails. So here this copy assignment operator is going to get called, and before, one more thing I'm going to do, but let me just show you the output first. So let us build the code, and now let me show you the output. So you can see it is inside the default constructor that we have printed, and then this is object 1 and this is object 2, and they both are same. So let us try to change one of them. So I can say old camera dot set name, and I do GoPro 8. Okay, and let's say old, something like this. And if I build the code now and let me run it, you can see the name is changed for both the cameras. So this is happening why? Not because of copy constructor, because of copy assignment operator, which also creates a shallow copy. Okay, so that means we need to define our own copy assignment operator. So the way to define it is like this. So we have void operator equal to, and here we give the product and x. Maybe here we can do cout inside copy assignment operator. Build the code and let me show you. Okay, yeah, so this is giving us a segmentation fault because we are doing set name, and this array is right now not created. This array is not created because yes, this is not going to work because the array is not yet created. So what we will do, I will just copy this code and I will paste it here. So this is going to override the default copy assignment operator, and this code is going to create a deep copy. So let me show you. Now if I see the name here, it is GoPro Hero 9 and it is GoPro 8 old. Now this is working because what we did, we actually write the logic for creating a deep copy inside copy assignment operator. Okay, so this is the syntax that you have to remember. This is the return type of the method. It doesn't return anything. Operator is a keyword, and equal basically tells us that we are overloading the assignment operator for the product object, and we will get a product for which we are copying into our current product. Okay, so when you're making this call here, so this is basically you're doing old camera, and there is a method which is for equality. So this method is nothing but equal, and this camera object is actually passed as a parameter here. Okay, so this is what is happening when you're doing this thing. We are actually making a call to the copy assignment operator that we have just written. So I hope the concept of copy assignment operator is clear, and sometimes we may need to create a deep copy, and for that you have to write the code for the copy assignment operator and copy constructor. Otherwise both of them will create a shallow copy. Okay, so this is how we are creating a deep copy by initializing a new array, and all the values are same, the array address is different and the array memory is different. Okay, so that's the whole point of making a deep copy. So all right, so that's all for